Alright, so this is lab 2 for Erik Wegge, the proximity sensor lab. This is my circuit here. Right there is the proximity sensor. There's 4 pins that connect into that. The black wire goes to the ground. The other blue wire right here, that goes to 5 volts power. The orange wire there goes to a pin 24, and then the blue wire here goes to a voltage divider, 300 ohm resistor first, and then it splits off onto a black wire. That one's pin 24. The other one was pin 18. This here on the orange wire. And the other resistor, which then goes to ground, is a 510 ohm resistor. That is connected to the Raspberry Pi. The code here, which runs the experiment, imports the GPIO library as well as the time library. It sets the 2 pins, pin 18 as the output pin and pin 24 as the input pin. This function here, this distance function, is what is run during the experiment. It first sets the output to true, to high, then it sets a 1/100,000th of a second delay, and then it outputs false to the output pin. This defines the start time and stop time variables. When pin 24 is 0, it sets a start time for the echo, and then when pin 24 is 1 or true, it sets the stop time, and then these values are used to calculate the time elapsed for the ultrasonic sound. That time elapsed is then used here to calculate the distance, which is the time elapsed by the speed of sound in centimeters per second, and then divided by 2, because it goes from the sensor out to the box and back, and then it returns distance. And then all of this runs while it's true, so long as the script is running, and prints the distance every 1 second. So yeah, running this experiment, right now I have a pizza box set at 1 meter, or well, approximately 39 3/4 inches, out from the ultrasonic sensor out to there, and the tape measure goes all the way out to about 4 meters. And right here, it shows the measured distance as about 98.4 centimeters. I repeated this 10 centimeter difference, from 10 centimeters all the way out to about 230 centimeters. For 3 trials, got a whole lot of data for that. But that's how this all works using the Raspberry Pi.